Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So officially today I wanted to do a very fun DIY, but the weather is so good and it's supposed to be the last weekend that it's above 20 degrees. So I wanted to take a little stroll on my bike and I thought, can you see it? Can you see it? And here I am going to do a little thrift shopping. So of course I'm taking you with me. Let's go! So I got some very good stuff at the thrift store. And I am going to show it. Oh yeah, I have a bag in the bag. So let me first get the bag out. Okay. And now we can start. So the first thing I got is this scarf. And it was €1.75. And I'm going to use this for the DIY project that I was talking about earlier. So that will make sense later. Okay, what's in here? Oh, I got these little pearly beads for 95€. Also, this little bag, also 95€, and these are little rosettes, you call it, I think. Little rose things. I thought they were so cute. Okay, and for the others, I think it's best to do this. Yes. Okay, so I've got some pearly necklaces, and this is also for the DIY that I was talking about, and I think you're going to see that next week, but maybe the week after that. So I've got some of these cool colored beads. Okay, so for all of this in total I paid €6.65. Okay, so thank you so much for coming with me to the thrift store on this very beautiful and sunny day. And I really hope you liked the video, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, because it helps my channel out so much, and hopefully I will see you next time. So officially today I want to do the hairdo. So the first thing I got... Oh nee, we gaan niet hoeven. And hopefully I will see you next time. Nee, hopefully. Zoveel hopefully. Okay, so. Leuk.